Hey family. Hey family. I had to share this video because I'm so overwhelmed and I have to get this out. I can't even speak. There's an article today about what's happening in Tigray, and the Ethiopian government is literally starving the people to death. Read the article. I just posted it on my page. The aid workers who have gone in said that people are dying of hunger. There isn't a single biscuit. The stores have been looted. The children are dying of diarrhea because they're drinking water from rivers. This is the situation in Tigray. And I've tried to keep my composure. I've tried to do this diplomatically. But we are at a breaking point. The people are hurting. And you know it's not my nature to do a Facebook Live like this. This isn't my nature. But we have to call attention to this. Please share the videos. Read the stories. No one has believed us. We're telling you what our families are saying. As far as we can hear, no one is listening. So go read the story. It was in the Washington Post today about just how bad the situation is in Tigray. We cannot keep waiting. We need action. Please use your power. Use your voice. Speak for the people. It was too much. I read this article and I can't even move. I feel paralyzed thinking about people dying of hunger. This is 2021, for God's sake. What is wrong with us? Oh my God, it's too much. I haven't been able to reach my family. Today is day 75 of the war in Tigray. And we are broken. We are so broken. And we have these idiotic mostly Amara Ethiopians here in Colorado who are trying to sell this story that nothing is happening. It's too much. We can't do this. We need you all to act. Please, you have to use your voice. You have to speak up. Call our local politicians. Please, share the stories. I don't even know what else to say. It's just, I had to get on here. I had to get it out. I had to just get it out. I've cried in silence. We're all crying in silence. It's too much. Okay, get myself together. In 2 days, I'll be in Sudan talking with refugees who were lucky because they made it out of the country. And even if they don't have enough to eat there and they don't have any clothing and they don't have anything, they're at least out of the country. That's how bad it is. So please, please, please use your voice. Share the stories. I'll be sending information back while I'm there for 2 weeks. Please, you have to share the story. You have to help us. The people in Tigray are literally starving to death. And I know there are people who want to tell you a different story, but please go to my Facebook page, read the Washington Post article. You will be horrified. I read the first paragraph and had to stop. It's terrible. So please, you have to help us. This is an unjust war by Abiy Ahmed, aided by the Eritreans, and there's deep hate. They are burning crops and fields and homes. The rape is rampant. The stories are horrific. So please, you have to help us. I know this isn't me. This is a really bad way to get this message out, but we need your help, please. Please follow the Tigray Genocide hashtag. You have to help us save our families. This is out of control. I'm going to sign out on that note, but please share this video. Talk to people you know. You have to help us. This is very personal for me, but it's also just a humanitarian issue. Please share this video and share the stories. Thank you.